have an idea. We are going to paint the same thing in 3 different mediums. I almost did exactly the same thing, but that's just silly. That would be a lie. I know that this is a challenge for me. I don't know if I could paint the same thing twice. I don't think that's a thing for my brain, but we're gonna attempt it. We're gonna try. I'm gonna try real hard to cooperate is what I'm gonna do. Watch me go. So first we're gonna do watercolor. Start with the thinnest medium, and then we'll do acrylic, and then we will do oil paint. I have way less experience with oil paint. Way. I cannot stress how little experience I have with oil paint. We are coming up on spooky season, so we're gonna paint pumpkins. My favorite thing to paint, but what I need is supplies. These are acrylic supplies. I need to get my watercolor. Okay, I already got paint on my finger. I got water, we're good to go. Draw a pumpkin shape. I go with like a rounded heart shape, a butt shape, whatever you want to call it. I love me a stem with character. And then we boop. No, I don't like that one. I don't know if I like that one either. But you know what we're not gonna do? Overthink it. And you know why? Because it's a pumpkin. Comes in all kinds of shapes and sizes and textures and weirdnesses and colors. All of the things. think it's beautiful. Now let's try with acrylic. So let's switch this out. Boop. Boop. I think your stem should have character. There we go, bloop. Oh boy. This one's quite special, isn't it? Okay. Yeah, get your life together, Cassandra. So we're gonna do some blue first as our underpaint. oil paper. All right, the tape made it through all three. Okay. Pencils, handy dandy pencils. This is green. It's not the same if I don't use the same. And draw our rounded heart, butt shape. Our fancy stem. Bloop, 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 bloop. And then I round out the bottoms. I usually do that when I'm playing with the paint itself versus the pencil because it doesn't matter. I'll round out the bottom. Stop playing with the pencils. Okay, how do we want to do this? Like I said, I am not a oil expert. You can't even see my screen. Curse you, rainbow windows. Anywho, let's make some orange. Should we do a blue underpaint, kind of like we did with the acrylic? I feel like the answer to that should be yes. We should. Just so we make it even, you know? Trying to do this the same as I did the acrylic. Ignore the door. I am. Cover these up with some orange, a smidge of water. And we zoop a little bit more water. And zoop. 3 mediums, 3 pumpkins. Now that the light is moved, what do we think?